Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone so the upcoming installation can run. First, enable developer options and allow unknown sources. This permits sideloading alternate APKs. Next, check your Android version. Many iOS-like builds target Android 9 or newer, so update if possible. Back up your snapshot data and confirm your login credentials. This avoids account lockouts during testing. Once done, download the required tools on your PC, a file manager, an APK extractor, and a reliable VPN to test regional variations. You now perform the core installation and configuration steps. Sideload the iOS-styled Snapchat APK or an iOS launcher, then let the installer finish. If the package requests signature changes, use the provided installer tool. Grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions because Snapchat requires them for core features. Make sure to enable overlay and accessibility permissions if the port uses them. If the app is region-locked, connect a stable VPN and change device profile settings to match a supported region before launching the app. Finish by logging in and systematically testing camera, lens effects, snaps, and notifications. Make sure stories upload correctly. If the app crashes or features are missing, clear the app cache, force stop, and reinstall a different compatible APK build. Compatibility varies across devices. If you encounter login or region errors, switch VPN servers and perform a fresh install while removing old app data. Remember, alternative builds can break with updates, so keep backups and avoid linking critical accounts until stability is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.